Hey guys, my name is Spencer Meekum and I'm an affiliate marketer. But my first year as an affiliate marketer, I worked over 1,000 hours and I made less than $1,000. Okay, and then the very next year, I won a car and I won this cool little steering wheel. And so this video is going to show you how to shave off that first year of wasted time, those hundreds of hours of learning time, by helping you avoid these 5 mistakes. A few tweaks can change everything. Now here's your assignment. You've got to comment below and let me know if you've made any of these same mistakes. Okay, the very first mistake is not knowing your audience. Okay, I used to think this was like nonsense when I first started, like, you can just be kind of general, right? Like my audience is online marketers. Like, that's all I really need to know. Now I can create content around it. But once I started asking myself questions like, well, what is my audience's biggest goal? What is their biggest problem in life, and specifically in relation to what they're trying to do and what I'm trying to help them do? Or what have my audience currently already tried that's failing? Or what are these like beliefs that my audience has that they really need to overcome in order to succeed? And as I started to like write these down and actually like hone in on who my audience is, my messaging completely changed and everything exploded after that. Mistake number 2, FOMO. Okay, fear of missing out. I still struggle with this, but so much more in the beginning. I'd basically get my head down, I'd put my headphones on, and I'd start working, right? Like, I'm gonna go do this. These are my goals for this day and this week and this month. And then someone would come out and be like, hey, so-and-so is launching their product and they have an affiliate program. And I would just drop everything and throw it all aside and just dive right in. I'm gonna go, this new program, I've got to start promoting this program, right? And all this planning and stuff that I had just kind of goes out the window as I get this fear of like, oh, this is a brand new product launch. I have to be involved in it. Guys, I'm here to tell you, there will always be another product launch. I've done this for 3 or 4 years now, and there is always another awesome product launch. There always will be. Keep your head down. Don't get FOMO when someone's putting out a new product and feel like you have got to be involved in that launch. The third major mistake new affiliates are making is they're playing the short game. Affiliate marketing is a long game, okay? It's about building an audience, and that takes time. But so many new affiliates, they hit the internet, there's Facebook bots and Messenger bots and these comment bots on YouTube and these comment bots on Instagram and Facebook, and they're just filling the entire internet with these like bawdy, spammy messages that really relate to nobody. This doesn't work. All this does is this makes you lose your YouTube account, lose your Facebook profile, lose your Instagram account, and then you get to start all over, right? You get to start all brand new, trying to build an audience again. And you start doing these bots and these follow for follows and all this stuff. And a few months later, you get hammered again. Now you get to start all over, right? Yeah, sure, you're probably making a few bucks in there, but you're not building a long-term business, right? At any given point, your business is worth nothing. The fourth big mistake people are making, and honestly, I think this probably should be the first mistake, but it's too late for that. But they're not focusing on their list, okay? Their audience and their list. I do consultations, not a lot, but sometimes I'll do these consultations with people, okay? And I'll talk to these people that will tell me like, I've been in affiliate marketing for years. I've been doing it for 3, 4, 5 years, and I still haven't seen any success, right? I'm still at my 9-to-5 job. And so I'll say like, well, wow, 5 years is a long time. How big is your email list? And they'll say, oh, it's tiny, or it doesn't exist at all. And I just wanna like, because if you'd have just been focusing on your email list in 3, 4, 5 years, you would have an email list right now. You would have at least a couple thousand people. If you've been doing anything, you'd have a couple thousand people on an email list, and you could put together a really good offer and make some affiliate commissions right now. Okay, list that all these companies, every company in the world relies on having a customer base and an audience, and that's what your list is as an affiliate marketer. The fifth mistake people make, and I still struggle with this, is doing a half-baked job. Okay, it's basically when you whip out a landing page and whip out a lead magnet in a day, and then you can't figure out why it's not working. Like, isn't affiliate marketing about creating a lead magnet and creating a landing page and then just running traffic to it like solo ads? Yeah, that's like the concept of it. But guys, this is marketing. Like, this is a competitive world. You've got to make a solid landing page that really sells a point and focuses and takes somebody that that really has a problem and shows them how you can solve it. And then you've got to create a lead magnet that's more than just a spammy ebook that you bought the rights to, okay? You've got to find a unique problem and you've got to solve it. That's why software makes such a killer lead magnet, because it's got real inherent value and it can really solve problems for people. And so go all in on something, okay? If you want to promote an affiliate product, create a little mini software, maybe like a Chrome plugin or a extension or something like that will actually like really help people in that same category. Then create a crushing landing page and like maybe do something where people have to share it to get it. But like get creative and go all in on these campaigns. Don't just spend a day or two and then move on to the next one. I promise you, as you like give all of your mental effort to making these campaigns work and making good, high quality campaigns and lead magnets, your list will grow faster, your list will love you more, and your affiliate marketing profits will grow. We're gonna do one quick bonus mistake, 5.5. Bonus tip. New affiliate marketers come in often thinking it's easy, okay? And it's not their fault, because old affiliate marketers that are typically trying to sell new affiliate marketers on something will convince them that it's easy and that it's just a system and things like that. Affiliate marketing is not easy. Okay, it's hard. If it was easy, everyone would do it because it gives you an awesome, awesome lifestyle, but it's not easy. Do not think it's easy. Think it's hard. And then when it is hard, you'll be ready for it. Okay, so the next video for you is, hey, I know it's not easy, but I still want to do it. How do I get started in affiliate marketing? Right here.